Hello everybody and welcome back to the Southwest Florida TechNet YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a product that I think every ham should have at least one of. It's something that is extremely useful for summer and winter field day, parks on the air, any kind of outdoor event where there may be lightning in the area, and it's also good to have in your shack if you're also concerned about lightning. And what it is a handheld lightning detector. Now you can get these online for several $100s most of the time. This one is made by the brand Accurite, which also makes a lot of cheap weather stations. And while Accurite isn't really a super amazing brand when it comes to having good quality weather stations, this actual product right here has been really good. So here it is on Amazon. As you can see, currently it is $34.99. I believe when I purchased it, it was also somewhere in the realm of $34. I've had this for a couple years now. It says normal price $45, but I did not pay anywhere near that when I bought it. So there's the listing for it. As you can see, it is the Accurite 02020 portable lightning detector. The reviews on it are 4 stars, but in my opinion, it's a 5-star product. It is available on Amazon, and it's also available on Accurite's website and a couple other places. So here's the actual device. It's about the size of like a pager from a long time ago. It has a removable belt clip, so if you pull on it, you can get it off. It takes 2 AAA batteries. As you can see, at one point I did have some leaking batteries in here, and if you're going to be storing this for a long period of time, definitely take the batteries out, because I learned that the hard way. But I just cleaned off the contacts and it started working again. So the back of the belt clip has little instructions on it. It says press and hold for 3 seconds for indoor use and press and hold for 5 seconds to mute. Sometimes if you're indoors, it'll tell you that it's unable to detect lightning, in which case you could put it in indoor mode and it will, I guess, tolerate more interference. You know, there's a lot of cheap power supplies and things indoors that would make this have trouble detecting. So it is nice that it has those 2 different features, but let's go ahead and power it up. So to turn it on, you just push the power button, it will flash the light and beep at you, and it says, please wait. I'm gonna see if I can turn this light off and see if I can film it a little bit better. So as you can see it says listening, and the backlight will turn off after a few seconds. You can push the light bulb button to turn the backlight back on. But it says count 0 and it just says listening. Now to demonstrate how this thing works, we're actually going to use a 12-volt battery and just a dead simple spark generator. So I'm going to hook that up to here, and I'm just going to flick this across the positive terminal and this will go off. There we go. So it says count 1, distance 4 miles. The little symbol on the front starts to light up, and the screen says strikes detected. I can make that more readable. Strikes detected, and the little light on top will flash, as well as the little beep. You know, it makes the little beep whenever you do it. So if I hit this again, there we go, 2 strikes, distance 4 miles. See if I can't make it think the strike is any closer. There we go, 3 strikes, distance 1 mile. So you can see that it works, and I've used this in many thunderstorms, and I've used it at field day several times, and I can tell you that it is pretty darn accurate. Back in Florida when I did field day the last time, the building we were at actually had a built-in lightning detector that would go off, and every time this was set off first before the other lightning detector. This would beep, and then a few seconds later the other lightning detector would go off. So it is really accurate. The distance measurement also is really accurate. I have confirmed this by looking at lightningmaps.org and comparing the distance measurement to what Lightning Maps would show, and most of the time it was really accurate. I mean, it's surprising how accurate this little device is. For $36, you can't really go wrong. So after a lightning strike is detected, it will sit here with the screen saying strikes detected, and the little light will blink until you turn it off. You can mute the device by holding down the light bulb button. Now it says muted. And if you're in a lightning storm and you just kind of want to have this going in the background counting up the strikes, then you can mute it, and that way it's not beeping every single time. So all in all, this is a really good, inexpensive lightning detector that is just really cool to have at field day, especially if you're the only person there with an actual lightning detector. Everybody's going to think you're some kind of magician. So I highly recommend having one of these in your go bag or shack or back pocket whenever you're doing any kind of outdoor or home amateur radio adventures. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the review, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.